Natália. Today I will Reframe PhD. The UT focus exclusively on the Netherlands. No, I'm from Brazil. I'm here and come from a collaboration with my university in Brazil. A PhD has no added value at all. No, it's not about it. You can develop a lot for your career and also for your personal development itself. On completing a PhD, you start at the very bottom in terms of career and finance. To be here, I already have passed through to a good path, a good way in my career. And I'm here for the purpose. I really want to be a researcher, and you can become really specialized. So we start with a really high level of education and prepare to what you want to do after that. A PhD basically means 4 more years of unpaid studying. No, here at the University of Twente, we normally are hired as employers. We have the same rights, the same benefits, so it's equivalent to a good job here in the Netherlands. 4 years researching one topic. Imagine the boredom. No, actually it's really exciting. You discover new things every single day.